Pretty good. How about you?
I'm doing good. You ready for this cold weather to come in?
No.
Oh, I don't like cold weather.
No, maybe we won't get it real
I
bad.
hope not.
I mean, it says we are, but maybe we won't.
Probably can go the other way, right?
Yeah, I'm hoping it stay kind of this temperature.
I know, right? I love this.
Yep, it's just about right.
That's right.
God, what a basket. That doesn't do justice. This thing's huge. It's a rotating rack. Rotates around.
I think you have. Like, we better go back and look. Yeah.
Yeah, the dining room, if you'll go in through the second door in there, to the
Uh-huh.
right, follow that around, that's where all the red
That red glass.
glass,
I didn't look.
there's
I
a
can't
whole
look at the
friggin'
table.
room full of it.
Yes.
There is a lot.
Ronnie, these are nice and tall. It's hard to find.
$7.85. These are some old ones here. Concrete.
I'm glad she's doing open houses again. It makes a difference.
It does,
See it.
'cause a lot of stuff looks different online than it does in person.
Especially size.
Yeah.
You don't know. I mean,
Yeah, well, a couple ladies already mentioned about that big basket sitting over there on the floor.
Yeah.
God, they didn't know
You
I was
can't
that
tell
big.
the idea.
No.
No
That thing's
idea.
big enough for me to get in.
I know, and it is awesome.
Yep, that's huge.
Yes, I've never seen a wicker basket.
27-inch by 25-inch basket.
It's huge. You find something like that in a store like Hobby Lobby or something, you're gonna pay $200.
Oh, yeah. I wouldn't want it from Hobby Lobby. I'd want it in that
That's
condition.
right. That's right.
There's nothing up there, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, I know. Mom's got some.
She did, and she. It was. She sure. Hey.
Well, I know that. I got one. That's what my, when I got me a picture, it
Good to see you,
You
Steve.
too. I'll get your car before we leave. Let me know before you leave.
Okay, well, that's fine. I got you.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, he was in there.
Okay. Okay.
Glad to take a look.
Right here.
Okay. You didn't see?
I'm looking.
See, this, I guess I didn't introduce you. This is Troy Tapp.
Hi, Troy.
He's a realty in Austin. He does.
Okay.
He said he'd give us a call. They've got stuff.
Good deal.
Never
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, good deal.
I did one of them state auctions one time.